Today we're going to have some fun and learn something about signaling at the same time. The sounds you hear are called Morse code. They are used to send messages between ships at sea and airplanes in the sky and trains and railroad stations too. When you know how to put these sounds together in words, you can send messages over long distances by radio or tap out secrets on the top of a table to a buddy in the same room. Here's the first sound we're going to learn, the simplest one of all. It stands for the letter E. Here it is again. E. That's the way we'll learn code on these records. First you hear the sound, then the letter or number it stands for. Try to think of what the signal means before I tell you, and write it down on a sheet of paper. Here goes. E. E. T. T. A. A. O. O. I. I. N. N. S. S. E. I. O. S. T. N. A. E. O. E. T. I. A. N. T. S. A. S. O. Play this side over until you know all the signals cold before you go on to the next side. When you know all 7 signals, you can begin to put them together in simple words. Look for a list of them in the album. When you get your sending key set up and are ready to begin sending practice, copy the signals on these records with your own key. That way you'll be sending a perfect signal right from the start. Do you know all the signals in the first group by heart? Okay, here's group 2. H. H. R. R. D. D. L. L. U. U. C. C. 5. 5. D. 5. C. U. L. R. H. D. U. Now you know 13 letters and one number. Here's group 3. M. M. P. P. F. F. W. W. V. V. Zero. Zero. V. P. F. Zero. F. M. Zero. W. P. V. W. Now you know more than half the letters in the alphabet, and you can make up many words. Keep on reviewing what you know. Here's group 4. Y. Y. B. B. G. G. J. J. Q. Q. 4. 4. B. Y. G. J. Q. 4. G. B. Y. 4. J. In the next group, we finish the alphabet and learn some numbers and punctuation. K. K. X. X. Z. Z. 1. 1. 2. 2. Period. Period. Comma. Comma. Z. K. 2. 1. Period. X. Comma. X. Period. 2. The next group contains 3 numbers and 3 procedure signs, prosigns for short. Your album tells you what these prosigns are and how to use them. 3. 3. 6. 6. 7. 7. Signing off, no more traffic. Signing off, no more traffic. Are you listening? I want to send a message. Are you listening? I want to send a message. 3. Are you listening? I want to send a message. 7. Signing off, no more traffic. 6. Are you listening? I want to send a message. 6. Signing off, no more traffic. 7. 3. 7. Are you listening? I want to send a message. Here are the last 2 numbers and 4 more prosigns. 8. 8. 9. 9. Wait, I will be ready to finish in a moment. Wait, I will be ready to finish in a moment. Message received completely. Message received completely. Repeat. Repeat. Go ahead, I am ready to receive your message. Go ahead, I am ready to receive your message. Repeat. Wait, I will be ready to finish in a moment. 8. 9. Go ahead, I am ready to receive your message. Wait, I will be ready to finish in a moment. 9. Repeat. Wait, I will be ready to finish in a moment.